Hi everyone, Archana here. As I promised yesterday, I am coming back with another beautiful kit, which is a ocean theme, Seaside Stories. So this kit called Seaside Shabby Stories. Oh my goodness, it's tongue twisted. But anyway, it's a shabby chic kit, and it's a really beautiful kit, you can see now. So I will show you papers first and then all these goodies as always. So this paper collection called Seaside Stories, which is by Pian Design, and it's really beautiful. I'm so happy to see this collection. It has very soft colors, very pastel colors, border, and really cute actually this kit is. And dragonflies, and these are double-sided papers, so you can see the back side. Beautiful. Then this one, seahorse, and this is like under the sea, very cute. You can see all these in pink and blue. really shabby colors they used. And the back side has all these, and then this one has some blue cute flowers and birds. The back side like that. Then this one has cute little blue bird here and a nest. Back side is like this. And then this one has this sailing boat here and this lighthouse, and all page is scripted, you can see here. And back side. Then this one, cute corals, and back side has this seahorse. And you can see this super shabby paper, cute. Back side has this, and in blue the similar paper but the different pattern. And back side has this dragonfly here and some design here. And this one is again another cute paper, blue and pink, super cute. Back side has the dragon and scripted in pink. And then this page has all the borders, seashells. So all the images are here on this page, and a banner. Each banner has each different graphic, so cute. And some these frames here, super cute. And back side is like this. And then we have 4 ephemera papers, kind of ephemera you can say, and you can easily fussy cut them. So this one has the cute ladies images, you can see all details, so cute, super sweet. And the little girl is here and another lady is here, and flamingo, and this anchor. I love this anchor, you can see it's super shabby, right? And all the sentiments, sayings, and there is a mermaid here actually, so you can make a fantasy project out of this. Look at the anchor, so cute. All the images are beautiful in this collection. And the back side is like that, oceany, sea. And then this one has another, all these sayings, sentiments, everything is here. Look at this beautiful anchor. I love the way they decorated this anchor with the flower cluster. And you can see romantic pages here and couples. and these two little cute images, and a blue flower bouquet is here, the red one, and then back side is white, and this one has all the beautiful images. Look at this silhouette, and it has some rose bouquet, cute, and the anchor again, and blue bouquet on this boat, and look at these boats, and cute kids are here, and a boat. Look at this one, so pretty, and the back side should be white, yes. And then the last but not the least, this page is again so beautiful. Look at these vintage swimming costumes. So cute. Look at this image. Such a pretty collection, and this collection called Seaside Stories by Pian Design. And I will show you other goodies I have here for you. So let's start with the flowers. So since this collection has roses and blue and pink roses, I have this wild roses here, super cute in bubblegum pink. And then I have this Prima silk flower. It's a big flower, so there is one flower. And then I have several Prima flowers with leaves. Some of them are velvet and some of them are pepper. So these 6 cute flowers, but pepper flower has already a leaf attached, and these silk flowers or the velvety flower has some leaves here. So there are 3 more leaves. So yeah, and they are 2 tones, so cute, you can see. And then this 2-tone Wilder Kid Craft Aster here, 10 piece. And there is a Wilder Kid Craft Sweetheart Blossom in green color. And then I have added 2 whole packs. Since this collection has teeny tiny pink flowers, so this will be a really good flower pack for this collection. So I have added these. Pack has flowers, 100 flowers in 2-3 different shades, and I have added this. This is a new collection, Amelia Rose, and this whole pack is here, and the color is so cute. And then I have these 2 Prima Shabby Chic, very soft. I'm in love with these pins. I'm always including these kind of pins in my kits. So these are in green color. So green color is needed for this kit along with blue and pink. So I added some greenery here. And then I have laces. So this is a piece of rosette lace. So 4 rosettes are here in sage green or olive green color. And then 2 of 18 inches laces. So these 2 laces 18 inches are included in this kit. And then 3 of the seam binding in 2 different color blue, 2 different blue colors, and a green color. So cute. These colors goes together really well. And then I have added these seashell sequence pack along with other green and goldenish colored yellow gold color sequence. So there are several seashells here. I mean seashell sequence there, not actual seashells. And then I have added 3 of the stick pins, which are these. So I haven't secured them since you can add your own beads in there, so I didn't use any glue, hot glue or anything here. But one stick pin has this turtle, one has this seahorse, and one has this starfish, and along with white glass beads, you can see, I hope. So these 3 stick pins. And then I have really cute charms. Some charms are by Prima. So 5 charms are by Prima. So anchor, this thing is must for this kit, and I love anchors and I love wheels. So these are here, another anchor and a shell and a starfish. So these 5 charms and 5 these silver charms. So one is a turtle, this is dolphin, and a small little cute fish, and a seahorse, and a lighthouse. So this is 3D lighthouse. Okay, so these 5 and these 5, so total 10 charms are in this kit. And last and super cute thing is a die. This is the die I was waiting for. So this is the anchor die, and it's pretty decent size die, 2 inches, and it's easily cut. It's from Do Crafts, and this die is here. So I hope you like this kit, and as always I have purchase link provided below in the description box. Hi, it's me again. I just want to clear a couple of things actually. Sometimes due to high demand of my kits, and just because of one atom is not available, I couldn't sell the kit. But what I am trying, I just replace the atom with something similar. So if this flower is not there, then blue flowers will be here. This one is not there, but something different, but it will be a Prima pack that is replaced by something similar in different shapes or sizes or different color. And if something is really not available, then I reduce the price. So you can see on my blog, where you are always purchasing my kit, you can see the different price there. If something small, even though something small is not there, I will just take out $5 from the kit price, from the total price. So I just wanted to make sure. First 10 to 20 kits definitely they are the similar, but last couple of kits or maximum 5 kits has different things or less things but less price. So some people like the kit, so I just keep selling them. And if you have any concern, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, feel free to PM me. I'm on Facebook always, so you can PM me. I'll try my best to reply you as soon as possible. And if I really missed something large, like I never miss anything, any big atom from your kit, but if it's missing, please let me know. I will try my best to send with your next purchase. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.